And it's tough, not to be a downer, but it's just tough, It's just watching onions being cut. And a lot of people think cats don't have feelings.
Oh,
We
you
just
watch a
needed
cat?
onions to unlock them, It's tough, It's just, oh, the onions, though. Let's just take a moment and reflect on the onions, man.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch and I speak stocks. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd. In today's video, I have one play for you and one to put in stock. Before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow fizzled down 0.58% yesterday. They closed at 34,553, the Dow. The Nasdaq closed down 0.40% at 13,838. Apple bucking the trend. Apple closed up 0.85%. Apple is sitting at $165.38. Apple looking strong. The big winner yesterday, I tweeted this one out when news broke. NRSN, the stock closed up 300% at 623. Let me repeat that. NRSN closed up a whopping 300% at 623. This on FDA News. The stock opened at 218, spiked as high as $8.18. That's their new 52-week high, 818. The low on the day, $2.03. The volume yesterday, 163 million shares exchanged hands compared to their average volume of 3 million. NRSN. Watch for possible continuation. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one and move. SMFL. SMFL is up 62% in the pre-markets, currently sitting at $1.51 on a no news. The high of day thus far in the pre-markets, $1.72. If this one retracts below 126, this might be a no-go today. This one made its debut on the stock market February 16th. Its IPO flopped, okay? It's been down ever since its IPO February 16th. Go ahead and check out their historicals. Let's see if this is the bottom. Is this the start of a new trend upwards? Only time will tell. Let me cut the blatherskite and get on with it. Let's get the tires. SMFL wears a market cap of 22 million. They have 6 million in the float. 94% of the float are insiders. Let me repeat that. 94% of the float are insiders. No institution. Shorts has 1%, okay? They have 5 million in revenues. Their revenue per share is 0.39. This is SMFL. This is in the packaged food space. Packaged food space out of Florida. Let's continue. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 313% year over year. Let me say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 313% year over year. Their gross profit is 128K. They have a low cash of 690K and a high debt of 15 million. Let me say that again. 690K in cash and 15 million in debt. Common sense tells you this one is in financial difficulties. Their current ratio is sitting below par, way below par. Their current ratio is 0.43. Be careful with this one. Seems like they didn't raise enough money, if any, making their debut on the stock market. Their IPO flop. Let's see what happens. Please put on stock today, ENSV. ENSV is up 16% at 395 after closing up 17% yesterday at $3.39. ENSV has spikeability. On March 8th, the stock went from $1.54 all the way to $8.76. 154 to 876, all in one trading day, almost a 400% gain there. ENSV. Let's see what happens today. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself.
Sign up with my Webull link below. You'll get not 1, not 2, not 5, not 6, not 8, not 9, but 10 stocks whenever you sign up. Pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Last night, I'll be doing random lives, okay? We spoke a little bit, we text a little bit back and forth about IDEX, SRNE, KTAV, OGen, Snow. All right? Let's delve forward into today's play. Today's play is NESV. This one is a spec play, in and out. They're up 100% at a quarter. They have a market cap of 6.8 million, 35 million in the float. 16% are insiders. First of all, the company came out with news. They're negotiating with their lenders. All right, so 16% of the float are insiders. 33% of the float, institutions. And 9% of the float are shorts. They have a gross profit of 8.4 million. This company has potential as soon as they get their debt load under control. All right, their leverage free cash flow is positive 2.16 million. Let me repeat that. Their leverage free cash flow is positive 2.16 million. All right, total cash in hand 429,000. I know some of you have more than that. Total cash in the company right now, 429,000. Total debt, a whopping 40.31 million. So let me repeat that. Total cash, 400 grand. Total debt, 40 million. Common sense tells you the company is broke. They have no cash. That brings them to a current ratio of a lousy 0.09. 0.09. That is very poor. All right, let's move forward to today's bonus play. This one is a bigger company. However, it is very volatile. This is 181 million float. And get this. 29% of the float are shorts. The company I'm talking about is SRNE. SRNE is in the big C sector. They came out with news regarding their FDA clearance. The stock spiked 25% as I'm doing this video. They're at 1044. They have a market cap of 1.5 1.57 billion with a B. All right. 34% of the float are insiders, 18% of the float institutions, and shorts, as I mentioned, 29%, very high. Okay. They have a total cash in pocket, 24.39 million, and a total debt of 221 million. What did I say? So you see that ratio is skewed. They're below par. The current ratio is 0.6. 0.6. So be very careful with these two, all right? Wow, this company, look at the average volume. The average volume for SRNE is 41 million. I can't imagine the volume right now. 41 million. A lot of trading activities going on with SRNE. Good luck to you guys. That's all I have for now. Follow me on Twitter for alerts at @DuppyTeeth. All right. And you make your next trade your best trade. Set your stop loss. Take some profits. Don't be greedy. 1 minute it's there. The next minute the profit is gone. Okay. See you on the next one. Dave Natch. I'm out. Boom, bam.